Am I recording?
Yeah.
I heard the beep. I just wanted to see your eyes. I'll make sure to put a big old sensor bar across your face like last time. My backpack! I forgot to clip my backpack and they're leaving me! No! My bag! Okay. There we go. Where are you going? QT! That's pretty. Huh? That's pretty. Huh?
What was that sound?
What?
You didn't hear it? Maybe I'm tripping.
When I skirted it?
Oh, that's what that was?
Yeah.
Man, those things sound good.
I like it better than inline 4.
Yeah, I do too. Where did you guys find these?
I got this in Texas.
Really?
Yeah, I drove all the way down to Rockwall to get it.
Wow. They aren't very popular.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah. I can't believe how good a shape they're all in.
This one I got November with 5800 on it.
Wow.
And it's got, like, I just hit 13. Come here!
I hate doing them in the street because I'm like,
yeah.
I'm working on it. I gave up on second.
Second's a lot smoother, but it's harder to pop. You really gotta, like, almost redline it. Let it rev up to the meat of the power band and then drop. I think you're dropping the clutch too soon.
Or too slow.
Yeah, you gotta drop it. Come here.
Imagine trees
are gonna hurt.
But
so
it's
that is
H2.
the full fairing?
It's the full fairing H2
That's
first.
badass.
The first set.
Man, that's cool.
And from what he told me, he bought it for like, I think around 50 racing.
FBI, man.
Class.
Yeah.
He was the first to ever do
I don't
this.
even know me.
He built.
Yeah.
And he took it all the way to Colorado the next week.
Oh, nice.
Like the next day. The next day. Yeah, it was the next day. Riding the bike
I've
to
been
work
thinking about that
versus
too,
just
man.
driving.
That'd
They
be
get better
better
gas
than
mileage than my
RV.
truck does.
Yeah.
Plus, you could throw a trailer on the back of it, or you could put a front hitch bike holder on the front and back. I could probably manage to carry 5 bikes on a bus. That's that dream life right there.
Yeah.
You want to ride mine?
Oh,
Huh?
yeah. You ride mine?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I know. It's fucking crazy. And you can't react like you would react like
Man, that boy thick.
So you're just like,
That boy thick. Oh, hey, careful. Your pocket's ripping.
oh, it is?
Like right here. Right here.
Your grips definitely feel thinner.
There's a snake in my boot.
My boy thick.
As far as
the
like,
bars?
my hands coming all the way back,
What do you mean? Like
just narrow.
oh, the bar. Yeah, the
Yeah.
grips are thinner
Yeah.
than yours probably. Man, I don't think I have any tips for it. It's like yours but worse as far as not having a quick shifter.
Yeah, but the quick shifter is not even like, I don't use it
Yeah,
unless
that's
I'm
true.
like full out. Keep in mind with that one, like I only adjusted it twice. I never went
Yeah.
and like actually adjusted it.
Yeah,
like,
you said
precisely.
you only adjusted at the top end, right?
Yeah, I didn't actually go in. Well, I mean, even then, like it was just like I adjusted it in the garage and then went and rode it, and I was
Yeah.
like, oh, that's good enough for
Yeah.
now. And then I just never did it again.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try to go just all out and get a blipper for this one when I get one.
Yeah,
I think it'll be worth
especially if you're gonna keep it. Like,
it. Yeah, oh yeah.
if I end up keeping that forever, I'll probably swap it out too.
Yeah, it's worth it because I want to keep this for a while.
I got a hole in my butt, Dad.
Huh?
I got a hole in my butt.
Hey, I don't mind it. Oh, your rear sets feel so much more comfy. Oh my
I
gosh.
didn't realize how high these are. All right, let's go. I'm curious how this thing feels.
I like your exhaust better. Oh man, he's got a shorty lever. I went to reach for the brake and there's nothing there.
The other side, my love. You say you
It's so much more comfy. It is? Yeah.
sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Oh my gosh. I need one. Bro, I love that exhaust.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think about it?
I like it.
Does it feel super clunky compared to yours?
Not really, no. It's like smoother in some ways, but then not as smooth in others, just from what I'm used to. Hey.
Oh, wow. I want to wheelie that. This feels just like mine. Identical.
That's crazy. I'm simping right now.